It had been days since she spoke to anyone, weeks since she felt seen. The city kept moving, but she had stopped inside, so she sat on the same bench every day in the rain. The rain fell harder, but she didn't move until someone sat beside her. No umbrella, no words, just presence. An old man. He didn't ask anything, didn't judge. He just sat with her. Minutes passed, still no words. But something changed. She glanced at him. He smiled softly. No explanations, no expectations, just understanding. And in that moment, she wasn't alone anymore. The next day she came back. He wasn't there, but she still sat. This time with a coffee, with hope. Some strangers pass through your life just long enough to remind you you still matter.